Hello, my name is Sean Thompson, and I will be telling you about how the candidates want to handle healthcare in the future. Healthcare is a very expensive thing in America, and it is very necessary in case of illness or injury. Healthcare is paid for out of pocket by people because it is run by a private company. Physical condition is a big factor in determining your costs for healthcare services. Medicare was put in place so people ages 65 and up can benefit from healthcare services, even if they are low income. Medicaid was part of Medicare, put in place to help people in low income families pay for health services if they cannot pay. This is done by state taxes. Next, I will tell you how Trump wants to handle healthcare in America. Trump wants to decrease prices on everything. He wants to lower the drug costs in America because pharmaceutical drugs in America are 5 times the cost of other countries. For example, penicillin is 5 times more expensive in America than in other first world countries. He wants to keep everything fair, so he wants the businesses to be run by themselves and not the federal government. He wants everybody to have their own plan, but have it cheaper through regulation. He wants the elderly to keep this same amount of premium, so their rates cannot be higher due to decreasing health. He wants to make things more affordable for Americans and keep welfare in American hands. Now I will talk about what Biden wants to do for healthcare in America. He wants health equity to be important in his campaign. What that means is he wants people across all racial groups to have the same access to everything as everybody else has. So race and income will be important factors in how much you pay for healthcare. He wants to make hygiene products easily accessible, such as masks, hand sanitizer, to help combat COVID. He wants to make them free and easily accessible for all people. He wants to raise taxes on more wealthy families, so if you could afford it, your healthcare will be more expensive, and if you're less fortunate, you can pay less for healthcare and still be covered under federal services. He wants people to have access no matter who you are, and he wants everybody to be healthy. In conclusion, I have told you how each presidential candidate wants to handle healthcare in the future. I've told you how healthcare is run in America, how Trump wants to handle healthcare, and how Biden wants to handle healthcare. The results in this upcoming election will determine how healthcare is run greatly in the future. I hope you came to understand a little bit more about how Trump and Biden will run things. Thank you and goodbye.